I'm gonna give a brief explanation of what it is. So I'm FaceTiming two of my best friends. They're gonna pick out an outfit for me, and then they're gonna take photos of me over FaceTime, edit them, and then we're all gonna group FaceTime. The very end of the video, I'm going to rate the photos and the outfits, and I might even post my favorite ones on Instagram, so stay tuned. I don't know what happened, but the FaceTime call didn't pick up the audio when I recorded it, so for both of Tina's outfits there won't be any audio, so I just included the outfit and some of my favorite moments. Addie, you can introduce yourself.
I'm Addie. I used to go to school with Kaylee until like a month ago. Wear a lot of mom jeans and t-shirts.
Yes.
Mom jeans and t-shirts. I'd say that's my style.
So the first category is skater girl.
Okay, I can work with that.
Okay.
Do you have those ripped black jeans that you wore last year?
Yes.
Okay, so those. And do you have any like really oversized t-shirts? Okay, let's see. What necklaces do you have? Wait, am I gonna have to tell you how to pose?
Yes.
I have no idea. Skater.
The outfit is based on a tennis skirt.
Oh, I have an idea.
Okay.
What
are you
have any,
feeling?
like, crew neck sweatshirts?
Yes. Then I have this like champion with
Okay.
this O'Neill one. I have this champion one. So we're gonna do the first outfit, which was skater girl first. But I'm gonna go one at a time. So we'll let Tina go first.
Wait, I have to like end it and then like come join it again.
Okay. Okay, you can send them. Are you ready? I'm so excited.
Is Tina glitching for you too, Kaylee?
A little.
Yeah, because
Oh wait, no, send them to the group chat. Not my phone. Send them. No, I looked at one. Send it to the group. Oh no, I looked at one. I didn't mean to. I was trying to swipe it up. I saw it pop up on my computer. I was like,
great.
Addie, did Tina's screen just turn green for you?
Mm-mm.
What? Okay. Oh my god, I'm looking at them. Oh my gosh, they're good.
Wait, Tina, you won.
watching her video.
Okay, I'll come back, okay?
Okay. Okay, Addie, you can send yours to the group chat now. And then I'll rate the Skater Girl ones.
Okay, I sent them. Tell me when they go.
Oh, I got them. Oh, wait, I forgot. Wait. Oh, I was so confused. I was like, why is my hair in 2 different styles?
Yeah.
I like,
Oh my gosh.
So, for Tina's Skater Girl outfit, I really like the outfit. Like, I really do. I think, oh my
Tina's
god.
outfit was way better.
Your guys' outfit was so similar. What are you talking about? Wait. I don't know. I feel like it's a solid 9.5 out of 10.
Wow.
And then for Addie's, the only thing is you didn't add as much.
I didn't have a flannel.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10.
Hey, I'm good with that. That is passing.
That's good.
It's a B.
It's a B
minus.
plus.
And then I'm gonna choose my favorite photos out of them and then like rate those. So for Tina's, I really like this one and that one. Those two. And I will rate it a solid, I don't know, they're really good. The only thing is I thought both of you were gonna like crop out the rest of the room to just look like the door was the wall.
I was gonna do that, but there was too much of you in the rest of the room.
But I really like those photos. I think they're good. Oh my god, I don't know. I really like them. I'm gonna give them a 9 because I feel like it would have been better if it was just the wall, but I don't know for sure. And then for Addie's, I really like this one and
That's really nice.
this one because I'm laughing. But I'm gonna give the photo, I think, a 9 as well because they're both really good.
For
Okay.
this one, I have like 7 photos.
Okay, Tina,
Oh my
you can
gosh.
send them
I
now.
have 3.
Okay, can I send them now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh my, These are good, Tina. What the heck?
I really like them.
Okay, Addie, you can send yours.
Okay, it's
Editing.
kind of cut off, so you have to click on it to be able to see the whole thing, because it like zoomed in when I sent it, you know?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
No.
But I really like the second photo.
I really like her outfit.
The second photo looks like a different filter editing than the other two.
Yeah, I don't really know why. I kind of did the same thing, but that's what happened.
So for the outfit, okay, I'm gonna do Tina's first again. I'm gonna give
My hair's
Tina's
crazy.
outfit like a 9.7. The only way it could have been better was if she's the white polo. I was trying to think of the word because that's what Addie used, and I think it just went better with the white skirt.
Yeah.
And I can't really see the polo, but that might be my fault. And then Addie's, I'm going, oh my god, this is hard.
A 9.9.
Oh,
Round it to a 10. Because I love Addie's outfit.
yeah, I think I'm gonna give Addie's second outfit a 10. Because she
Wow.
added the socks, and I was so excited about that. Okay, for the editing for Tina's, I'm gonna give it a 10 because it just, I don't know, it makes it look vintage and it just wraps the photo together so well.
Oh my god! Wow, Tina.
And then Addie's, I don't know. I'm gonna give Addie's, I'm gonna give it a 9.
Okay.
I was gonna dog it down because it's grainy, but that's not your fault. But I think it looks like, I don't know how to describe it. I'm not good at descriptive words. I don't know if I'll post them on Instagram though. Okay, are you guys ready to do the outro?
Yes.
I don't even know what to say.
Bye guys, you should subscribe, like, and comment down below. Oh, and
comment who you think won in your opinion.
No.
Okay, but if you want to see if I actually post any of the photos, go to my Instagram. It'll be linked down below. And then I'll link Addie's and Tina's also, because they both did great. Just kidding. But if you like this video, I want to do other videos with Tina and Addie, because it was so fun.
Honestly, yeah, it was so fun.
Tina's like, no. Never again.
Like, ew. No.
I will link their socials down below along with mine, and then go check out my other videos.
Yeah.
Even though they're not as fun or funny, even
like
though...
a room tour. Guys, if
Yes.
you want to see somebody
Oh my
film...
gosh.
Okay, if you guys are into the 3 a.m. videos, basically every single one of Kaylee's videos is a 3 a.m. video.
All my videos except for this one were filmed after 1 a.m. But thank you guys for watching. Please watch my other videos.
And please subscribe because she is awesome.
Oh my god, you're so nice.
Depending on the day. Just kidding.
Oh my gosh.
It's a joke.
Anyways, I will film more videos with them if you want to, if you guys want me to, or if they want to, because this was fun. I had a good time.
Me too.
And I miss them. But whatever.
Kaylee, do you want to help me with my math homework?
Okay, bye guys.